أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start the second part of Surah Al-Fajr. So let us start now. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so kindly subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Now we start. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانُ فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانُ إِذَا مَا ابْتَلَاهُ رَبُّهُ فَأَكْرَمَهُ وَنَعَّمَهُ فيقول ربي أكرمن. فَأَمَّل, on the meme there is a shad sign. We make gunna, we make the nasal sound, and we long as well. فَأَمَّل, after that we are connecting this meme with the lam mal, so lam is finished now. So the remaining is alif here, which is called Humazah because it has a kasra under it. So this kasra is basically under the alif. Okay, so do not say linsanu. It is not linsanu, it is insanu. With Humazah we connect with the noon. So after the noon sakin, the next letter is a sin, so which is ikhfa letter. So that's why we hide the sound of noon here as we say insanu, and sin we long due to alif madda. So we say فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانُ إِذَا, zal we read in soft sound and also we long here. There is alif madda. Mabtalahu, on the ba we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Lam we long due to standing fatha on it as we say Mabtalahu. Rabbuhu, ra we read in heavy sound and on the ba we make bit strong sound. Ha we long due to invert dhamma there, we long there 1 second. Rabbuhu fa'akramahu. Hamza we connect with the kaf, and in the kaf there is shiddat quality and also hams quality come as we say fa'ak, this is shiddat, and ak, this is hams. Fa'ak, okay, fa'akramahu. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha sign on it. Ha again we long due to invert dhamma. Fa'akramahu wa na'amahu. So on the ain we make tawassut quality, and ha again we long due to invert dhamma as we say wa na'amahu. So there is lam alif and 5 is written as well. So do not stop here, you can continue as we say wa na'amahu. But if you would like to stop, so you can say wa na'amah. This ha becomes with sukun sign, and this invert dhamma we skip from here. The next is fayaqulu. Qaf we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Waw is madda there. Fayaqulu Rabbi. Ra we read in heavy sound. After the ba there is ya madda, and also on the madda letter there is a mad sign which is madda munfasil, because after the madda letter which is ya here, the next letter is Hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word. That's why this is madde munfasil, which we long 3 to 4 seconds as we say Rabbi akraman. Kaf we read again with the hums quality. Ra we read in heavy sound, and when we stop here because there is a stop sign. So this noon becomes with sukun sign, and meme we connect with the noon man. So we say Rabbi akraman. And now we say فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانُ إِذَا مَا ابْتَلَاهُ رَبُّهُ فَأَكْرَمَهُ وَنَعَّمَهُ. We stop here, and when you stop on this place, so you have to continue again from the previous words. So we say again فَأَكْرَمَهُ وَنَعَّمَهُ فَيَقُولُ رَبِّي أَكْرَمَنِ. And there is a circle which is the stop sign and little twa as well. So both are the stop signs now. Then the next وَأَمَّا إِذَا مَا ابْتَلَاهُ فَقَدَرَ عَلَيْهِ رِزْقَهُ فَيَقُولُ رَبِّي أَهَانَنِ. وَأَمَّا, on the meme again there is a shad sign, we make gunna, and this meme we long due to alif madda, and also on the madda letter there is mad sign which is madde munfasil, because after the madda letter hamza is coming in the beginning of the next word which is e. وَأَمَّا إِذَا, and so we long here 3 to 4 seconds as we say وَأَمَّا إِذَا. Zal we read in soft sound, and also there is alif madda we long. إِذَا مَبْتَلَاهُ, on the ba we make qalqala, lam we long due to standing fatha. مَبْتَلَاهُ, mab, right, this qalqala. مَبْتَلَاهُ فَقَدَرَ, Qaf and Ra we read in heavy sound. Alayhi, this ya is ya lean. Rizqahu, Ra we read in light sound due to kasra under it. Qaf again we read in heavy sound. Ha we long due to invert the on it. Rizqahu. Fayaqulu, Qaf we read in heavy sound, and also we long due to waw madda is there. Waw is coming with sukun sign, and there is dhamma on the before letter we long. Fayaqulu. Rabbi, Ra we read again in heavy sound. We long due to ya madda, and also there is madde munfasil we long 3 to 4 seconds. Rabbi ahanan, ha we long due to alif madda, so it will be ahanan. وَأَمَّا إِذَا مَا ابْتَلَاهُ فَقَدَرَ عَلَيْهِ رِزْقَهُ فَيَقُولُ رَبِّي أَهَانَنِ. كَلَّا بَلَّا تُكْرِمُونَ الْيَتِيمَ. Kalla, Kaf we read in light sound. La we long due to alif madda. Similarly balla, here is again alif madda. La we are longing as we say balla. Tukrimunal, Kaf we read in light sound. Mim we long due to waw madda. Ra we read in light sound again. Tukrimunal. Yatim, Ta we read in light sound, and also we long due to ya madda. So we say Kalla balla tukrimuna al-yatim. So you have option here to continue because there is lam alif on the circle sign. So it is optional place, but you can stop also. وَلَا تَحَاضُّونَ على طعام المسكين. على طعام المسكين. Wala tahaduna. Wala we long due to alif madda here. Wala. So here is madde lazim kalmi mustaqal, which we long 4 to 6 seconds, because after the madda letter, which is a standing fatha here, the standing fatha is equal to alif madda. That's why the mad sign is coming on the standing fatha, or we can say after the madda letter, which is alif madda here, the next letter is coming with shad sign. If after the madda letter, if the next letter is with shad sign, so you have to make madde lazim kalmi mustaqal there. Kalmi means in the one kalima, like in one word. Mustaqal means like there should be shad sign after the madda letter in the same word. That's why we make madde lazim, which is the compulsory mad. Kalmi, like the same word. Mustaqal, like after madda letter, the next letter should be with shad sign. So we long here. Wala tahaduna. So this do we long due to waw madda. Ala, lam we long due to standing fatha on it. So this standing fatha is on the lam, not on the ya. So we say ala ta'amil. Ta we did in heavy sound. Ain we long due to alif madda. And mim we connect with the lam. Ta'amil miskin. In the scene we make the whistling sound and hums quality as well, as we say miskin. So there is ya madda. Ta'amil miskin. So we say وَلَا تَحَاضُّونَ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ. وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ أَكْلًا لَمًّا. أَكْلًا لَمًّا. After the ta, the next letter is Hamza. So Hamza is coming with sukun sign. That's why we make jerk sound here, as we say wata kulu. Kaf we read in light sound. Lam we long due to waw madda. Noon we connect with the ta. Wata kulu nat turasa. Ra we read in heavy sound and also we long. Sa we read in soft sound. Turasa aklal. This kaf we read in light sound, and after the tanween, the next letter is lam. So we make idgham without gunna, as we say aklal. Lamma. On the meme there is shadda sign, we make gunna, and also when we stop, so we skip one fatha from here and only one fatha we read, which becomes alif madda. So we say aklalamma. And now we say again وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ أَكْلًا لَمًّا وَتُحِبُّونَ الْمَالَ حُبًّا جَمًّا. وَتُحِبُّونَ. So this ba we long due to waw madda here. Mala. After the meme there is alif madda we long. وَتُحِبُّونَ الْمَالَ حُبًّا. After the tanween, the next letter is jim, which is ikhfa letter. We make ikhfa sound here, like the hiding sound of noon. حُبًّا jamma. On the meme there is shad sign, we make again gunna, and also we long here due to alif madda, because when we stop, so the one fatha we skip from here, as we say حُبًّا jamma. وَتُحِبُّونَ الْمَالَ حُبًّا جَمًّا. كَلَّا إِذَا دُكَّتِ الْأَرْضُ دَكًّا دَكًّا. Dakka, dakka. Kalla, kaf we read in light sound, lam we long due to alif madda, and also on the alif madda there is mad sign which is madde munfasil. After the madda letter, the next letter is hamza which is coming in the beginning of the next word. That's why this is madde munfasil. We long 3 to 4 seconds as we say kalla idha. Zal we read again in soft sound, and there is alif madda we long here. Idha dukkatil ardu. So ra we read in heavy sound due to sukun sign on the ra, and there is fatha on the before letter. So dad also we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Dakka, dakka. After the tanween which is on the kaf, the next letter is dal. So we make ikhfa again here. Dakka, dakka. And when we stop here, so this one fatha we read then. So we say dakka, dakka. Kalla idha dukkatil ardu dakka, dakka. And if you would like to continue, so then we say dakka, because the waw has a shadda sign. Waja'a, waja'a, rabbuka, rabbuka, wal malaku, swaffa, 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 swaffa. Waja'a. Here is alif madda, and alif madda is coming with mad sign, so which we call madde muttasil, because after the madda letter the next letter is hamza in the same word. So this is madde muttasil which we long also 3 to 5 seconds. We say waja'a rabbuka. Ra we read in heavy sound, kaf we read in light sound. Wal malaku, again kaf we read in light sound. Swaffa, swaffa. Swad we read in heavy sound. After the tanween the next letter is swad. So this is ikhfa which we read in heavy sound. The ikhfa is in heavy sound right now, because after the tanween if the next letter comes heavy letter, so and also that letter is from the ikhfa letter, so we read ikhfa heavy. So we say swaffa, swaffa. And when we stop here, so again we read one fatha. Swaffa, swaffa. So we are not reading light ikhfa here. If we read light ikhfa, the sound will be swaffa, swaffa, fa. So we are not saying fa, we are saying fa. Swaffa, swaffa. Now we say waja'a rabbuka wal malaku swaffa, swaffa. And now we read again this complete lesson. So listen carefully and try yourself. فَأَمَّا الْإِنسَانُ إِذَا مَا ابْتَلَاهُ رَبُّهُ فَأَكْرَمَهُ وَنَعَّمَهُ فَيَقُولُ رَبِّي أَكْرَمَنِ. وَأَمَّا إِذَا مَا ابْتَلَاهُ فَقَدَرَ عَلَيْهِ رِزْقَهُ فَيَقُولُ رَبِّي أَهَانَنِ. كَلَّا بَل لَّا تُكْرِمُونَ الْيَتِيمَ وَلَا تَحَاضُّونَ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ وَتَأْكُلُونَ التُّرَاثَ أَكْلًا لَمًّا وَتُحِبُّونَ الْمَالَ حُبًّا جَمًّا. كلا إذا دكت الأرض دكا دكا وجاء ربك والملك صفا صفا. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question in this lesson, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, in the next class, we will read the remaining lesson of this surah. If you like this lesson, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.